good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. Of course, y'all know what it is. I got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. You know I always appreciate the love. And if this is your first time coming through my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date for my latest recipe videos, y'all. We get it down here. Freestyle cooking with Streets. That's how we do. Alright? So we're going to go in, y'all. Real easy recipe we doing today. This is what I was in the mood for. So I broke out the camera so I could just share it with y'all. That's how I do. You feel me? So today we're doing a real simple sub hoagie, you know what I mean? Freestyle cook with Street style. This will be my multi-meat, multi-cheese hoagie. You feel me? You can change the meats, the cheeses of your liking for this particular recipe, for this particular sandwich. But y'all gonna get my freestyle cooking with Streets style hoagie, y'all. Alright, let's get it in. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I got my roll up on the board, already cut it in half. I then went ahead and dug out some of the bread in the middle for some space. Now we about to start getting our condiments on, y'all. Let's do it, alright? So first, I'm going to add some wasabi sauce. Wasabi sauce is banging, y'all. If you've never had it, it's basically like a Japanese condiment that they use with sushi, you know, raw things like that. But it's basically like, you know, give it to y'all real quick. It's like a hot mustard, horseradish, you know what I mean, with like food color. That's basically what the wasabi sauce is. It's like a spicy. It's like you don't want to use a whole lot, just a little bit, okay? So, but it'll definitely add kick to your sandwich. And you can eat it on top of, you can use it as a dipping sauce, on top of steaks, so forth and so forth. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get some up on our roll. Like I said, not too much because I don't want it too hot. That's good enough for me. All right, just a few drops. Then I got my Cupid mayonnaise. You know, that Japanese mayonnaise I've been telling y'all about. Definitely y'all gotta get this. Let's get that on there. Alright, I'll take my knife and I'll go ahead and spread this around, get it on there, all on the bottom of the bread. And trust me, y'all, the wasabi too, you should try add it like to anything like a tuna fish or a tuna salad. Oh, it'll give you that extra spiciness. And like I said, if you use a little bit, it'll just give you that real quick, what's that? Oh, I like that. It'll give you that kind of feeling. Alright. Now once I got that spread on there, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some oil. There we go, get some oil on the bread. Boom. Alright, now that I got my oil on there, I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese. Now I'm using two different kinds of cheeses. I got some regular American cheese, and I got some my steak house onion cheese that I get from my butcher. Alright, so we're just going to get that on there. Boom. And like I said, y'all can use whatever kind of cheese y'all would like to use, whether it's cheddar, American, you know, it's just a multi-cheese. So you want to have at least more than one cheese on here. Okay. Boom, there we go. Alright, next I want to go ahead and add my meat. First, I'm starting off, I got some oven roast chicken here. Go ahead and get that up on here, y'all. And this is a real easy sandwich, y'all. I mean, today I just was in the mood for a hoagie, so I decided to build one of my own special hoagies I like to make. Sometimes I also make my own like salad, my own dressing for the hoagie. But this particular, and y'all probably seen it on my channel, but this particular sandwich, since the wasabi is giving me that extra kick with the mayo and the oil, and I'm going to add maybe a spread to it, there was no need for me to go ahead and make my dressing for my sub, because that's enough flavor going on right there. But if you don't have no dressing or anything like that, or you want to add a dressing to your sub, check out my Hoagie sub dressing on my channel, y'all. Bang. Alright. Alright, y'all. Next, I got some roasted turkey. Gonna add that on there, y'all. And like I said, this is a multi-meat hoagie. You know, kind of like my double beef sub, where you use different beefs. But yeah, this is a multi-meat, so you can use whatever kind of lunch meat that you like. You like roast beef, corned beef, chicken, turkey. You can mix it up. Salami, ham, however you want to do it, y'all. It's your sandwich. And don't think that you always got to have one. Oh, I got to have a turkey hoagie, a chicken hoagie. Nah, you can have a multi-meat hoagie. And I always love eating a hoagie with multiple meats on it. Always. Alright. There we go. Alright, next, I got me some turkey pastrami. Gonna get that on there, y'all. Turkey pastrami up on there. Alright, next I want to go ahead and add my lettuce. Alright. Got me some butter lettuce here. You can shred your lettuce up if you want. I'll just break it up into pieces. And I love this butter lettuce, y'all. You know, lettuce that I use for like wraps and stuff like that. But I also love it on my sandwich, y'all. But you can use iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, you know. Do your thing. Alright, next, I'm going to add some onions. Oh yeah, y'all. Sandwich you can make anytime, man. Lunch, dinner, whenever, man. Multi-meat sandwich, man. You know, make the hoagie exciting. You know what I'm saying? Why just eat one meat on it when you can eat as many different meats on it as you want? Alright. There we go. Got our onions up there. Next, add my tomatoes. Alright, y'all, next, I'm going to add some sweet peppers. I gotta have some sweet peppers on my sandwich, man. You know. Definitely gotta have it, man. I got to have everything up on my sandwich, man. You know what I mean? Oh, he got to be loaded. Also, get the hots on there. You know, we got to have the hots on there. You know, you got to have this, you know, the sweet with the hot mix going on. You know, to get that perfect balance. Now I'm going to add some pickles. Add some pickles to it. Oh yeah. I'm talking about. Real easy, y'all. Real quick. Next, I'm going to add some salt. Some salt up there, y'all. Oh yeah. Also some pepper. Also some oregano. Also some red pepper flakes. Go. Just a little bit, not too much. Alright. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some of I told you I had made this deli spread. Got it out of my local market. It's just another mix of like peppers and sauce, you know, broken down. I just add that little extra top on there. Yeah, just spread that out like that. Alright, and you actually, you know, and if you don't have no peppers, no sweet peppers or hot peppers, you could just use this sauce. It has peppers in there and everything. It has some of the flakes in there, so I just like adding it on there with the extra topping because this is like how it tastes, to keep it 100. You feel me? It tastes good. Try it out, y'all. And you can put it up in salads. Alright, so next, I'm going to go ahead and add some more oil. Alright. And now, before I put my top on, we got another meat to add, y'all. Some bacon. Yeah, bacon on the hoagie. Told you, freestyle cook with streets is how we do it. Y'all will absolutely love this, man. Bacon on the hoagie. Alright, I'm using some beef bacon. I actually wanted some turkey bacon, but they didn't have any, so I wanted my sandwich to have bacon. So I went with the beef bacon, y'all. You can use whatever bacon you like. Oh yeah, that's the ultimate topping right there, man. Definitely give you a whole different experience when you try out this sandwich, y'all. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and get my top on. See, I got that space for my toppings. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. That is an ultimate sandwich, y'all. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're near the end. We're going to go ahead and cut into this beast of a sandwich. Let's get this thing cut in half, y'all. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go, y'all. Look at that. Look at that right there, y'all. Nice. Let me see. Try to get some focus on that for y'all. See if I can get some focus going on. There we go, y'all. Got some focus going on for y'all. Look at that. Beast of a sandwich. Bacon falling off. Let's ready to go in. Oh yeah, y'all. Alright, my multi-meat, multi-cheese hoagie, y'all. A lot of flavors. You see that wasabi and mayonnaise down there with the oil, adding mad flavor. You dig me? So, I'm gonna sit this down, get ready to eat this and go in. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, and you know, comment. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all tried it. Let me know what y'all, you know, how it tasted y'all. If y'all liked it, didn't like it. How could I make it different? You want me to try something different, you know? Just holler at me, man. Anytime. Shoot me a comment. I get back as soon as I can. And, you know, thank y'all for watching. And y'all know what I'm about to do. Holla.